Hey guys, Sunday morning, 23rd of April. Let's look at Astro Excel. Get a map for what could transpire this week. Last week, the Excel tracked pretty well, and we had some important pivot points on the blue line. Spikes as we move into Sunday evening here. We've got a little bump up on the green line, a little bump up until about, call it 2 a.m., and then both lines roll over. But then the green line is predominantly down most of the week through late Thursday. We go down early Monday morning into late Monday evening. Then we're kind of sideways all the way, almost all the way through Tuesday until about 20:30 time. And then we're moving downstream to the -10 line into the 27th. Late in the afternoon we bottom out, call it right at the NYSE session close, and then we get a little bump up into the evening, and then we flatten out again for Friday early in the AM. Key potential pivot points on the blue line hitting outside the 10 lines are going to be on the 24th at 15:30, early morning of the 25th at about 30 minutes after midnight. The next one again is at 23:30 on the 25th. Then we don't have one till the 27th. About 11 a.m. we have a blue line spike low at about the -15 level. And then Friday morning, the 28th, we have a spike high about 8:40. Looking here at the pH chart, I want to show some key price levels that I've had marked on there. This is all based on the high and low from the 20th. What we've done here, we've been trading inside from late on the 20th all the way through the rest of the week last week. You can see how the price level was contained basically by these three lines. Now these three lines were projected, and this is based on the hidden phi work that I've been doing. There is no better price prediction method for getting these key intraday pivot points than this hidden phi method. You can see how these lines have absolutely contained the market when it was in this range bound move for the last few days. We got a couple of breaches slightly outside of it a couple times here on Friday, and then once we broke the high a little bit here, but that was it. Until we take out those prior highs or lows, these lines will remain intact.